Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S21 that needs a new display. As you can see there on the corner, it's cracked. So let's go fix it. So first off, we're going to remove the back cover on this gorgeous Galaxy S21. We're going to be careful because this one is not yet cracked. We don't intend to add more damage to this device. So Davis is going to agitate it with a liquid or alcohol and then just slice through the adhesive. And then at the problematic corner, I think behind the camera, that's where the crack is. So we're just going to be very careful not to touch that. And now we have removed the back cover. So next step is we're going to unscrew everything. There's a lot of screws on the Samsung Galaxy S21. So in order for us to replace the display, we're going to extract everything from the old display because the display is also the housing. So it's a unibody design and it's amazing to hold. It's very rigid, but the repair seems initially very daunting because you're gonna access everything and remove all the flex cables that you can see here. But actually Samsung really did a great job in making sure that the components come in very big chunks, and unlike other smartphones that we see here, you pull them out piece by piece, which is kind of really hard for novice repair technicians. This one, that's the second biggest part. I'm gonna detach it, remove the SIM card tray so we can remove the daughter board. Daughter board also gets pulled out with the flex cable. There's another flex cable, and then the main board just goes out as a single unit with the camera array. Surprisingly small motherboard for such a powerful device. And then the battery is one of the trickiest parts to remove. There's no pull tabs that will remove the tape. But David is a Samsung expert, so he's got a lot of tricks that I still don't know about. And then everything just gets transferred to the new screen. So you can see that David just pulled it out and right away just fits everything together. The main board, the battery, daughter board, then the flex cables gets routed and connected to the proper slots, and that's it. We're just gonna cover this up and install the final piece. And if you have any problems with your S21, if the battery is dying on you or the screen is now unusable because of a pretty big scratch, no matter how small it is, that can be annoying, especially if you have your smartphone with you for a very long time and you want to extend its usable life. You can just replace the display and save you some money by not buying the new stuff. Actually, the Galaxy S21 is more than enough for 2023, so this one will live on for longer. Look at that. It looks brand new from the front. All the functionalities are intact. No one can ever tell that this one is a fixed Galaxy S21, and the display is pretty amazing. That's David there. Seems to be enjoying this repair. Of course he is. He likes this job. I'm gonna cover this up, and if you have any questions, guys, leave it down below. like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And this is the side by side of the before and after. If you want this, message us. Take care, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.